So I'm back again. I don't see me anybody not insult me. Oh. Me, I will stand for the truth. But I'm just here to come and tell you, Kevin, say, you know the truth, but you are just trying to cover up. That is the kind of life you have been living. Some people wait close to you for that Scandinavia, for them for Sweden. They don't talk, say, not be today you start time. Not be for that man body for starting. You don't say they do one. So why are you lying? Why can't you come out straight and tell everybody, say, now paper you they look for? I know. Because when you go fit sue you, because you can't tarnish and now say, you don't know. Now they say, deceive you. As he get HIV, whereas he told you, and all those things, if he come out for court, my brother, you are going in for it. We have to say the truth. Why you they join that person? I know they join Tatalicious. I don't know before I know they join anybody. But let us say the truth here. Kevin is not a baby. Kevin is a liar. For Kevin to say, that man not tell us saying a man. They chatted for a long time before he bought ticket for Kevin. Before Kevin come in his house. If you not like anybody open live video tomorrow, why I tell me? I don't give a damn. Now maybe that if you're living on my swag. Wait till now they talk through. Everybody now Bini, but we have to boost you now because many people are doing it. Kevin will just come out and say the truth. We are not having here. The man told him he was a transgender. So why is he lying about it? Said the man not tell him. He was just being desperate for paper. And some people say because he now paper, now he make her. A woman can be desperate for a paper. Say he go marry Igbo way not love or marry my way not love. But how can a man be that desperate for documents? Say he say man get HIV and man now man he go the fucker. I'm not talk truth here now. More talk truth here. More talk truth here. I be Bini say but on me not about gata. Okay, can I now because many boys are doing it. How can you say because you want document? Somebody told you it's a man and you still go there. Somebody told you has been living with HIV for more than many years. You still go there just because you are in the desperate. You are desperate to get a document. Like seriously, are we serious? What are we talking about? Who knows if he has? There's a video I shared. Tatalicious say he not go tell me anything. Now this tonight day, the voice recording. Wait, can't give me. I go do them. I go send them for my Facebook and listen. The truth is the truth. Say the truth. Nobody go kill you. Now you get yourself. And there's not be today you start to do that. You feel they do not be only for that man body. So why are you not lying about it? Say the man not tell you. Of course, say the man tell you. Don't you know you can go to jail for that? And there's a proof for it. The woman has all the proof. Say you and I. He tell you one and the chat. So wait till be all this one. Now our Bini brother, of course, but the truth not say me they not talking. If you one money they make Kevin now, Kevin no, I don't know her before. And for that video I foresee him. Make we they talk to make we analyze and where when that man they do that video, that first video, why Kevin not raise alarm for that video? Say, what are you saying? Because the woman was saying everything on that video. Did I tell you I was a transgender? Did you tell your family? Why did you tell your family? Why are you people now embarrassing me? Did I tell you? Did I lie to you about myself? Did I tell you I was HIV positive? Did Kevin say anything? No. And they say maybe in attention. Which kind of tension? I'm not going to worry about when we call be careful. Who might mean no singing? Person they lie for your head for public. You don't see matter talk. More way sharp. If you listen to truth, say you don't know before. Now there you for raise alarm. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why are you lying against me? What is your problem? Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you? Did I sleep with you? You never told me you were a man. I never knew. It was the day I wanted to sleep with you. That was when I found out. You can say that. Tatalicious no carry gun. near Kevin say, if you talk for this life, they will kill you. But on that the same this thing, he was still, he never said anything. He was calming him down, like, calm down now, please now. The man even said, he said, do you want me to show the whole world what you have been living with? Why are you not lying that I didn't tell you? Kevin, didn't I tell you? Did Kevin say anything? He avait bon nous beba ni o ma se ti defend egbe nu. He agba obog ye ke na gba nu. He na gboku yo akon na se ti defend egbe. O ma mo video da wo mu oge ba wo oge no se ti ya we dagbon we wa we oge no. We ma ti sin egbo e. You couldn't defend yourself. Okay, most still forget that side. Say not still defend himself now. After the video, the question is this: was Kevin still in that house? Yes or no? Of course, he was still there. They say maybe he was homeless. He not get where he want go. You where you want fuck man? You say you want fuck man. Now you can't say get prick. And the man, you don't know say get HIV. All of a sudden, now that day now you can't know say he not tell you before say get HIV. You not go carry your load wrong. Abi not be asked Kevin from Comot go Tatalicious place. Even though say not get as according, say maybe he's homeless. Now you can just stay there that time. At least with that you can bagger. Even after that first disgrace, you feel come on say no. Even for that video now you for talk say I cannot do this shit with you. As a matter they talk. If I bola wegbe, as a matter they talk up yeah. Where we know what in they get you be like guy we know what's up. Now they go for talk say I'm leaving you. Even on that video, Christopher was forcing Kevin to even leave. He said, if you can't say this, leave my house. Go upstairs and pack. Kevin was like, cool down now. Calm down. Another video still there where Kevin for talk say, it's my life. Go and watch the first video. Kevin also said it. It's my life. Forget about my family. It's my life. Then why are we not changing it? Because it was night already. And the next day, that day and night when they say do that video. Now night Abi, okay, fine. It good. You toast girl for Facebook. All of a sudden you can't see and say a man when you want to sleep with the girl. Then the girl not first tell you. Then the girl can't still get her take on live video for your head where the whole world they watch you without public disgrace. You couldn't utter a word. You could not talk. You couldn't defend yourself. Ask me if you somebody go on live video. Oh, okay, this one be lie where they talk for person back. Lie where they tell the whole world. You want live video for my head. Begin they talk everything I not do for my head. Did I tell you? Did I do this? Did I do this? I'll just keep quiet. I'll tell you it's okay now. Please don't say everything now. It's okay. Calm down. Like seriously, are you killing me? Oh, no, as no one want me. Oh, okay, oh, I give a woman. Emma, a ben, I have work be. Tom, ya, be. Immediately you defend yourself because you're wearing alone with him. Or the both of you were wearing alone. But you were on life. She was on life. Which you knew she was on life. Why couldn't you defend yourself as at that moment? Why is it now say, now you're going, I don't know. Why are you lying? You can say that to anybody we want here. Or in the name of Iviedo Yamagbakin, we are beneath. But anybody where they do this thing. Because it's not there for our culture. I know some of our culture, you know people, I don't care. And what I even rock back. I don't send any of the comments. But the truth has to be said. The truth has to be said. He's my brother, but Kevin should say the truth that he knows about it. Because Kevin, when you go, they pass through anything. Nobody's coming there. Now live video everybody for the talk. As to the talk, so nobody's coming there to help you. I'm telling you the fact. Because you cannot lie against that. You know what that one be? Say the man not saying get HIV and he not tell you. He can't lure you. That's another big problem. And when they reach court, the woman tender, the man can't tender everything, saying tell you the proof. What will you do? You think on Facebook na Facebook with that one that time. Then you the face judge for court. A court they follow the talk. When he go show proof, then you will be like, oh my God. Even after the first video they did, it was still there, and they still did another video. Like, okay, what are you going to tell your family now? He said, forget about my family, don't worry. He said, Africa is far. I'm far from Africa. This is my life. Are we still getting married by January? He said, yes. I want to know, when I said that before video, that was the video after the other one. And there were proofs for it. So let us not change this whole thing. I'm not giving him any power, but the truth, Kevin has to say the truth. Because even the man, you know, because I don't know her before, but the man now, you understand? The man now, they face the same, this thing now, because this thing now say, he not tell Kevin, and the thief he destroy his own name, his own reputation, of who say he talking. That man has been on social media for a very long time. For a very long time. And he has a lot of viewers. If that man enter live video, sometimes 1,000 something they watch and not be Kevin want to get viewers. Nigerian people don't they watch one person, not me say that person don't they get viewers. You know other country people when they do live video. Not only Nigerians they do live video. There are other countries that are doing live. There are other country where they do like. He's the one I'll take Kevin say, Kevin, your desperation was too bad. How could you? But where or desperate maybe when they maybe log on master or might think desperate. I mean, can desperate say get one person desperate. We say okay now woman. Now you want desperate collect that paper from. You don't love the woman, you're the pretend. I don't want to be desperation, so you want to call. But this one a man to man. You know such a person get HIV. The desperation was too much. I don't hate Kevin. I don't hate him. But let us say the truth here. Nobody should cover it up. Because tomorrow, when Totalicious is going to be suing this boy, nobody will be there with him. Sue him with the whole fact and with the truth. Instead, when everybody is suffering, call that man. Tell him, say, hey, our brother, don't tell us the truth. If you really love this boy. And you guys should tell him to stop this kind of thing. And this is not the first man Kevin has slept with. Kevin has been doing it. Forget that thing. If you come, disquagua me, but the truth has to be said. This is not about a man and a woman. This is about a man to a man, our Nigerian, our own son. So not let us cover, say, oh yeah, we'll have you, oh yeah, we'll die, oh yeah, don't know. Oh yeah, like the back when you want to make bonus, oh yeah, don't know, oh yeah, don't know. Which can't it be that one? Why can't you guys talk to him for back this thing? Say the truth. This woman told you everything because the woman has a proof. And she said that proof. She's not going to send it to anybody. She's not going to bring it out. She's going to cut with those proofs. Because Kevin has terminate her image. And it's very true. The court of law, all of us are abroad with it. Instead, we'll go, they calm the man down. Everybody, they come out. Hey, Tata, you are this, Tata. I don't know Tata. It's not from my country. But Tata has been doing his video since how many years? Not be Nigerians who want to get viewers. Just a me talker. Not be Nigerians who want to get viewers. Do you know how many people follow Tata? That man, Christopher. You know how many world people they follow him? From America, everybody they follow him. They said that viewers you want to can get viewers for waiting. Because when I talk to her, I told her, I say, you know what? My people, I tell now, when I call her, I tell her, say, Christopher, Tata, I say, and I say, you know what? You know, I tell her, I say, we are planning to sue you. I tell her, I say, because what you did to this boy is bad. You never told him. He said, really? He said, I'm waiting for the sue. He said, I have my own evidence, everything. He said, but there's an evidence. He said, let me just share the video now. That was why I shared that video that I shared when I was on break. When he was telling Kevin about the HIV. Kevin said, no, say get HIV. He said, no, say no man. He said, he be just one keep low. He said, but now see they go. And I said, no, my sister, we really want proof. Say, Kevin, the time when I take chat, you tell her, say you be man. He said, my dear, he said there are videos, a lot of videos. Now, so whether I get the one where they take the fuck or where they take chat, the time when they knew me, he said that's going to be my evidence in the court. He said, you know what? They don't even have to sue me. They want to sue Kevin this time now. Why you go when Ayana? Everybody just the beg. But the truth not they don't they talk of yet don't know. I'm not against my Benin person. But the truth has to be said. Kevin knew Christopher was a man when he was chatting with him from the very beginning. Or when he started chatting with him. He knew. So you guys should tell Kevin to stop lying, to say the truth. What kind of desperation is that? You are so desperate, you want to be with a man like you. You are so desperate, you promise a man like you marriage. Say, I will marry you when you know he's a transgender. You are telling me desperation for document my ass. A woman can be desperate for document and marry a man we don't love. A man can be desperate for document and marry a woman we don't love. Not to that extent, a woman, man go the desperate. He go come there. You say you know they do it before. Okay, we see all these guests for Italy. Most of them, they be lesbian because now that one they take chop. That one another desperation. Now that one they take chop, so they have to follow the lane. But Kevin now talk say he not even did that lane before. Christopher not tell her. Christopher not tell her say he na man before and you know say tell you. You say he not tell you, you still there for the house. When they do live video, you not feel shout, you not feel raise alarm, you not feel shout. I not say me you beat him. I go on the studio, I go on no mat, you talk to person who arrest you. You are defending yourself. That's called defension. You are defending yourself because someone is lying against you. As it not be just saying that you are not there. In the eyes of the world. Only on my baleme ya wonu, umami nu ya gwa, umami nu ya sinye. Where it parani me no data okay. No so man time video. No so but ego ya dey about wani why you not talk, why you not even do video. He to say that you even do video now. Or she in there for live video. You talk say I never knew, you never told me you go hold your ground there. You go hold your ground there. You go come be as soon as they argue. And wait till you say you have to leave now. You leave. You don't leave. They say you dead desperate. Or they say maybe you not gas. You not gas. Then you they live with man like you. They say you not fucker. All those kids you call. You fucker you not fucker. That will not be my problem. But you should stop lying. You go defend yourself. There is no way where you go take to defend yourself when police go to arrest you. Defend yourself. What happen be say? After all those things. So after Kevin, people don't see Kevin with him. And they can't confirm, they can't go the bar and watch. Say na man before. Say na transgender. They can't see everything. They can't watch the video. All those HIV video where they do. Since they come. Now they take Kevin, say, Kevin, now that one cause quarrel for them. Now the woman take their center live video. So, you tell me, say you love me. You couldn't tell your brothers or your family that you love me. So you they pretend to me. You never loved me. So I want you to come and tell your brothers now. Because, you know when you they lie. I want them to know, say, you love me. Come and tell you to them that you love me. Not the one you they tell me for inside house. Come and tell them that you love me. That was what came. That was why came. What came about the video. One of the one. I not saying though. Even me, I will still be saying the truth. Oh yeah, done or fine, good and fine. But You know, there for our tradition, make man they sleep with man. Which kind of desperation be that one? Tata is wicked, fine. I'm not defending Tata here. Tata is wicked, fine. Say as I talk, say video are wicked, fine. We understand that one, good and fine. But question is this: the Tata go to Kevin house, go draw a come. If he be say Tata come first, release all the disc, all the proof. Say this boy no. What will you people do? And Tata sue this boy tomorrow. Will you people be there to save this boy? Now drop by the right comment. Why can't we deal with the things the way it is? Somebody tell you saying no, but he was still in that house. Somebody tell you saying no, say the man a man. When the man, they lay false accusation according to everybody now say the man they lie. Say he not retailer. When the man on live video, they lay false accusation on you. In presence of the whole world, you couldn't even measure a word. You couldn't say a word. You couldn't even defend yourself with one word. Like, are you stupid? Even though you don't even tell and say, are you stupid? Why are you lying? Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you? You never told me. I never knew. I thought you were a woman. You never told me. Then for that, I can say, I have proof. You can say, show the proof. If you be a yak be. I got you never walk. I don't hear my way. Or where? It's doing. I know they tell us say I wanted to live like Kevin has been doing it. A lot of people were there for Sweden. Some no Kevin. They say don't for the fuck man. Not be that man. It start to the fuck man. Me Kevin there. Even though everybody when I used to come and take change, anyone want to change, I say maybe Kevin and if you don't know before, he might want there. He might be born. Really, they maybe about. He might can know. Maybe if you your hate time for some, I don't know before. I don't know if family might be not carry, but the truth has to be said. The truth has to be said. Instead, when we say people say, okay, now our brother, we really love him. That video what I did that video for Kevin, for Tata to drive Kevin come up for that house because the disgrace was, and he said, no, he was still there. That was why I did that video. And thank God, he read one. He sent that come out. I not hate him because he not there for our culture, say man and man together. He not there. No matter say, na hustling. Say na hustling for paper. He has sworn of your way, but people not they come abroad. Only say I'm a bear. There are some people who use gay, take up a duro, but they are not gays. They know they do. They know I take a package yourself. Unless if they blood, then you go to one. They tell me say not tell you. He not tell you we are still there. You were saying baby. You were still calling baby. You don't know. When the man they tell you say, Kevin, didn't I tell you? Tell the world, didn't I tell you I was a transgender? Or do you want me to show the people what you have been living with, what you have been doing? Kevin said, stop now. He said, do you want me to show them? Go and watch the video again. Kevin said, you have finished saying everything. I just finished everything. You have finished. You have killed me. Just because he can't come out. Kevin never knew, say Nigerians, some of Nigerians, they follow him. Or that thing will leak. He just be say, since now Zimbabwe. Now then they watch him. Or you don't even know, say the woman social media big rich like that. Say go fit come out like that. Go fit go viral. What are we not saying? The truth is this. Will you allow your brother say he defend document, make your brother they sleep with fellow men? How will you feel? Is it our tradition and culture? I'm a woman, I can sleep with man. Of course. But being a woman and sleeping with a woman like me, then is a curse on me. It's an abomination. That's what I'm trying to kick against here. Kevin knew everything from the one. Kevin knew that man was a man because he told him. Kevin, what I'm trying to tell you, I don't hate you. My brother, if I hate you, I'm not going to do that one, say me come out. I want me you come out for there. Because the disgrace don't come out. I'm not going to do that video, say I want me you come out. My dear, Obama Yezo, Eswama Yiko, you be doing for that country. People will not know, you go say no, fix one. You go fix one. One way. One reason I don't first now, just stand. I tell him, say I be transgender. I tell him, say I get HIV. He say I not tell him. And he go bring proof. Another way, where go take go court. Nah. If they destroy my name, say, I get HIV, I be just that kind of person where they share out to everybody. And if to say I not get proof, I can be jailed for it. That is another reason where go fit sue Kevin. He don't already terminate his name. They say he get HIV, you not tell him. He not transgender, you not tell him. That's another way go this one. Instead, they take Kevin off. You can't take that religious view. No, why you have no 200 why on the Facebook here? On my way. Oh, vie. We know so many men they do nyash. So many Nigerians are gays. There's even one they told me about. He there for Holland. They say if you see her, you not gonna know say boy. Na Igboma. They say if you see her, you not gonna know. You not gonna know unless it like you, I go tell you. They say you not gonna know. They say that one too pure finish. So many men they do. But why are you lying about it? And Kevin, this is not your first time. You have been so desperate to this extent, even more than this extent. They say na paper make them desperate. Paper no feel make me desperate go the fucking ash. Unless na waiting they inside your mind what you want to. Because you wearing raised up that way. It's not in our culture. How much more say you say that desperation? I make count. Which kind of desperation? Somebody write comment say, if you what of you will sleep with okay, I slept with a man. I dated a man, but I never dated a woman like me. If you see anywhere, say if you date any man or you hear an next year, any woman, you hear an next 3 years, my sister, drag me, come out of the internet with my belly. What is all this? If you your own day, your own day body, what is my body? Everybody get their own mouth to talk. Talk your own, I talk my own, comment your own, I comment my own, what's the now, so I tell you my own. Una not fit talk say Kevin, no. Kevin knew about it. He knows. It was very clear and obvious. Forget it, say, Tatalicious is not in Nigeria. But we have to iron the truth. We have to say the truth. Exactly what has happened. You go even surprised now, say, the boy not get HIV. And that is our prayer. May the boy not get. Because somebody really call me, explain that thing where Christopher talk, say, no, you not be all HIV carrier, you go sleep with where you go there affected. Some people they live together. One of them go get HIV, they'll still live together as husband and wife, boyfriend and girlfriend. The other party not go carry on. Now somebody call me, will be doctor, explain that to me, say it's very possible. But what I will not take is for Kevin to be lying. That he was never told. I don't forget him. But I just can't take him. Yeah, I can't take and tell him. Kevin, stop lying and tell your family the truth. And your family will feed them. Unless say, at the right time for comment, you know say commenters son they lie. Say you did Germany, he good. If you see David for that Sweden, my dear brother, I swear if you see David for that Sweden, why got a court of law? God, may God cover you. May that woman not do that. May that man not do it. Because the way no now. The man they even they shout for me. Because as me take on I dare your side. They tell us, no, we are going to sue you. They are planning to sue you. This is not good. You never told him, please, I need a proof. He said, my dear, he said, don't worry. He said, my proofs are with me. He said, and that is what I'm going to use for him in the court of law. I swear down, I'm going to deal with him. Because he's going too far now. I'm telling you guys the truth. Kevin, if you still have his number, call him and tell him you are sorry. You never knew the whole thing was going to go viral this way. Or it was going to circulate the way it is right now. That was why you lied. Me not there that time. Social media people not there. Do it with him alone. Speak with him on the phone. Unless you're not there for that country again. If you are still in that country, my brother, you don't know any law. You be Aduro, you knew enter there. People who know law, they will take and buy you. That man can even use your money. Take one. Because evidence there. The woman say evidence. They won't talk when they tell you. Even all the video, now even evidence. But people don't not just want to talk, and people don't. But people don't not want to say the truth. How it is. We are just beating around the bush. It's our brother. We have that. Now also na paper na. Una no paper they be for abroad. Paper they be for abroad. Who are you? I have sick. Me abo dey yak bonus and ya maybe. Is it a good thing? Is it a good thing? Yes, now you carry the matter come out. Now the way the whole thing take happen. You understand? He carry and come out. That one I say another thing. Say carry. I don't know. But the thing is this. Because you know why? We have to tradition go for free from there. He has been on live video for a very long time. And he has been saying it on his life. Say he is a transgender. That he is an HIV positive. And people know for that country. They do live video. Those live video go show for it. Let me tell you guys. Police not see person will get HIV. They waka, maybe man will get HIV, they waka woman. May police go meet her or anybody. Ah, you know you have HIV. Why you they follow another woman? No, they will feel say, maybe that are best of the same feather. Or they get identity, they run their things. Someone are not talk this thing. People that knows law, they will tell you and they will explain these things to you. Now here I talk this matter rich. I beg, more than not they use matter. They find me. Commenters, why any tie bo messy? Why get matter ne we amwesu? I mean no hustle. What person go they also say you they fuck your both sets, and we are not saying it is hustling. It's just hustle. He just the hustle to get the document. Which kind of document be that one? Man to man. And that this is not the first time. He has been doing it before, and even Tatalicious get another proof. Mabe ona vie na la je wana get gwezo your boy na. Osalobo awako deportation. Na do me man no do you how many years? Social media na italo makia talo say nobody they carry lawyer come meet you there where they tell you even if you of vie no. Of vie no because your sister where you got the way they say that your senior sister you and I take picture. Since when this matter take come out, you take picture. The picture come and say, now his sister, this one, so say, now girlfriend. Your sister begin to call the live video, they go. Say, no, make they carry the picture come out. The husband begin to call everybody, they go. Your sister not going to even stand for you because if to say your sister will stand for you, you not go they call everybody, say, make they carry the picture. We want to gather snap, make they come out and say, make they come out you for inside. So that one to tell you, say, even your sister, he go best leave you. Go best leave you. Oh, a wager. So you sense, my brother. And I pray may you not get her. You sense, my brother. That your sister, when they born, will come out for the same toto. She don't even already deny you, no matter what. Or what we get, or when mommy you know, you get your baby very work before. Or what we get, or what, when, How they take talk that parable? I want Oyera when a dead bay. We can say, no matter what. Nothing what your brother go do. No, I know you call it the whole live video. Mona, your husband begin to call. Hey, now my wife be down one, but my still sister. Mona, remove the picture. Mona, what rubbish. Ovi Joma, all the loma sake na we la. No matter the name, na mubawe, na munyawe. No matter what you are. What is the picture? Not be 12 na snap the picture. Not be brother and sister na be. Just because say this kind of thing happened to Rana, you don't call the live video presenter say, may they come out the picture from you, or may they come out your own picture for inside. Are you kidding me? So now that kind of your sister now will come they send you money or can't take lawyer, can't give you. If the Tatalicious they drag you, they go. Don't forget Tatalicious have been living there for so many years. My dear, you that couldn't defend yourself on a live video, now you want to defend yourself for court. Oh yeah. Because you knew which day. You were enough, you stand and let them put for your head. Then they tell you that they talk what you not do. According to you, say you not do and you not know. Then they talk for a whole live video. You could not say a word. You could not defend yourself. Now you want to go defend yourself for cut off. Yeah. Who jure? Social media. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Kevin is in prison. Please come and donate it. Of yeah. Unless you don't come for them. Just off it, tell everybody me that and I want to talk your matter rich. I for even say make I send the audio. Wait that talk to me, but I'm not the send anything to come out. Because he say he's going to use it. He has a lot of plan. And I pray may not use it. But my brother, use your sense and stop lying. Say the truth. Ah, sister. Yeah, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know say you go viral like this. So it's when you well eh. More than the year when Kevin they talk for fun. When the woman there for live video. When Kevin they talk for fun, he say, my guy, hey, I don't know what I'm telling him. He or what famewa. What if you or what famewa? He draw my leg come out. That's who we on that far wewa. What you go la jam na? Because I ain't do far wewa. He ain't far wewa. Ugly far wewa. What is the meaning of what famewa? Eh, oh, what about the food? Oh, what do we have anyway? My way na. What to what famewa? Normal level now, normal level. But when everyone who why you see a baby nya or more according to you, you say na lie they put for your head. But you see a baby nya. Why you took your baby woman? Woman Kevin. Defend. Yes, they what defend you where? Of yeah. Social media can do update you. If person they talk, now they take person mat. Or maybe go on root away and say for law, cannot talk again. What to be that one? And anybody will ever comment that rubbish on my word again. I go swear for your children. Did I sleep with a woman? No, I slept with a man as a woman. Are you stupid? You there for my house, you there for husband's house. You put me for husband's house where I there. Rubbish. You say the truth, you won't say it. Are you guys now encouraging our young boys out there to be fucking asses? A lot of them are doing it. Instead of us to tell them now, we are backing Kevin. You where they comment that rubbish, sis. You where they comment rubbish here. Where they comment rubbish for everywhere they insult me. Oh, we're not going somewhere like it. Every night you're only here as in Nigeria. Iwo only son or Rigbe. Kevin say no. But on the same video, he they talk say he want marry. He no know. Now the day when I sleep with her, now I can't say small prick. Now I can't say no they do. Now the woman can't come out for live video. He can't they disgrace her. Are you kidding me? You can't talk? You couldn't defend yourself? Like seriously? We should say it the way it is. Now Oslo, the guy was so desperate for document. Kevin, we will not be desperado when now bungbe. You know, say this, Kevin, fuck up Ivani, Oma. What I will now buy whatever. If you say, we are talking now, one more time away. A people like the one time away. Because me, I know if they talk this one for what I know. And what did they pay me for it? I say, he wanted, I know they join Christopher. Oh, yeah, man. Kevin, I be my brother. And that was why I did that video. Me drive Kevin because it was a shame. After all those nonsense and Kevin was still there, I was bittered. Because I be concerned though. Now make me bitter do that video. Just make that take not worthwhile. Because it was a shame. Maybe all those things don't come out. But it was still there. Saying baby. Baby, don't worry. Let us settle this amicably. You don't listen to me. That's always your problem. Oh, Salopwa. Which truth one for you again? Let us forget. I don't make mistake. Nobody will know they make mistake. But my brother, my mistake. Not if you did do it before you were the listening. My brother, stop it. Do you know why I'm not against Tata? Because I don't know for their country. Maybe they do it. And they even say, Mama know about them. So most of these African countries, they don't get culture. Now make you see Kenya. You go see all those, what do you call them? Even for South Africa. All those Maasai. The ones who get culture, they be Maasai where they live on top of mountain. Those ones are with culture. You see all those ones where they live number left, where they dig ground, where everybody know as Kenya, flashy Kenya. Those ones, they don't have culture. Or you both don't carry their culture to mix with their culture. They don't even have traditional food that they eat. But we Nigerians, we have culture. We have to be saying the truth here. Kevin has been doing this. This is not the only man he has slept with. Instead, we will go to say, this thing, when I will be made, which paper you defer? Man like you, he's not good. He's not good, please. I'm Hey, man, I'm one if you what yeke? Now we are not okay. Am I on that? Okay, CIB. I don't tell my way. Where the proof there? All the videos, if you sit down and watch all the video, where you go no say even the video without even proof. Proof already there for the video. Say can we do that thing? What is all this? What are we not talking about? Venu wa ya pe gbon ye manana. Ebi ama be avec video back where. On ma be avec video back wa kan ya mo gbogbo yan ba ni. Ogo ami akpo bizo. Ihun ola lo e. Mo money. Eke na menan la vie bo. Agboma e. Nuda. Boya ni mo gbogbo yan be yeke. Ona la de ota be ni no go me. Ebi wo na be de ya kan ba ma mi o gba na la de awu yen do me de. Now so na go take the so whatever una get for life. Waiting. What is wrong with you people? What have I done? What did I do? When I say the truth, don't know what talking. If you talk about, what are you doing? Una go any other plan. Ogun kill it. Ogun ye deg bene ko na tie ba ni oje. Ogun gbe me mu da o ma ba ni ewie. Uwie ba me be di amu. Owie de ma gbe ne bana ike lawa. Uwie ba ni unwi na yo mepo ni ya vie ba ye ko me. So, una tie bo me in any way. Adu ata we vie tie bo. Wa ka tie me na tie no wa. Because it's too much. It's getting too much. I will do that. Me aga vie ke no ma keke ni jo. O ma ri ye you pa yo me no ye mo bog be we. Na so if what I go take una ate see. Wa me we live video na here a level of live video. Wa me want wa ta rubbish. I mean alright, but fine. That if to say na Kevin a man, no na Kevin a woman, no problem. But a man, now what tradition? No. That boy is a fucking gold digger. He knew. And they are proof for it. Before I come back on the use that a bitches. I don't see many things. I don't see them. I don't get proof. Don't totally just not send that call for me. Proof day. Yen kwa block wa gumen ko do wa le comment ken wa gbeke wa gbon. You might rubbish here. A problem here, bro. But if it happen to your own, how will you feel? You will feel bad. At least talk to him. Say, this thing is not good. Next time, not do it again, my brother. If that's it's your desperation, now woman body carry you go. Have your home. Not before my body. You can't lie. Now just to cover up your rubbish what you don't do. Your shit. Can you say you don't know? He never told me. Whereas he told you, you are just lying. And that lie is going to lead you to where you not believe it. And they tell you, bros. Stop lying. Because the whole truth is there. It's very obvious. No matter I don't take cover for you, Rich. Nobody can cover it up for you. The truth is the whole thing is very transparent. It's very obvious. What are we not saying here? It's my brother. Yes, fine. But the truth has to be said. The truth has to be said. A lot of our boys are doing this same rubbish in Europe. God forbid bad thing. You just need to say this guy Kevin will not come out. Kevin will still date a delicious ass. They fuck years. They man like they date a delicious man. Don't worry, nah. Maybe this guy thing not come happen. You go see they fuck the yarn there. Then one day they can't get paper. You go Germany or you go Italy. You go Nigeria. Oh my God, will do fuck it. Aye. Don't worry, my kids are fine. My kids are very fine. Don't worry. But you cannot see them. My kids are very fine. Don't worry. Not stress yourself for me. Say go and find your kids. My kids not wrong. They're not thief my children. My children are 45 minutes away from me here. And that they call my children. So not come make me they talk and say I can't they confess to una. That one are before. I not get on a time. Because all of una. No matter no you can't put se no ma sok pa non na fien you wi or you commit wa ge go magbon ou work pa be ke no vie 600 so wa ma say because now they feed me wa pay go wa me wa pay ge mo me wa gbiki wa gbe o wa look for your children even where we are tin aye me my children are fine and you will never see them rubbish people telling you the truth you are here just bless set of people. I'm out for you people. This 2020 go too hot. I'm out for you people. The truth has to be said. This is Ivienivie, home of truth. Kevin, be careful. I've told you what I want to tell you. If you send a lie, I will give you a Tatalicious number. Call him yourself. I don't know if he's going to tell you because Tatalicious explain things to me. And I can't even say I would not lie to you. It's not my concern. It not concern me. But Kevin, stop lying. I don't know if you are called in any platform, but stop lying because those lies, they will still use it against you. That's number one. Stop lying. Lay low. Let everything just die, go like that. Lay low and stop lying. You don't already fuck up. You don't already fuck up. The deed has already been done. Just forget. Or I will go ban fo. Kevin, so while I even when I comment in a web way. To understand, if you not really get HIV, and I pray may you not get in the mighty name of Jesus. According to the way Dr. T explained that to me, he said if it happened, the way Christopher T explained them to, he said yes, he said it's they common like that. Say no, be just say 2 days, he said but it's they common. So I pray that one for you, my dear brother. But next time, please don't be that desperate. And this is the last time I'm going to talking about this. And please, anybody will insult me for comment because I'm saying the truth, put yourself in those shoes. Is it really our tradition? Everybody they come and they protest against Bobrisky. Not be say we don't see person where Bobrisky. We don't see where they for the fucking yash. But everybody they come and they protest against her. Now because they will not get her for culture. So what is all this? Why are we not saying the truth? Just because of hatred, we are not saying the truth. Just because the truth is coming out from Ivienivie, that you hated so much for no reason. You don't want to sell the truth. Then my dear, you still have a long way to go. You way they insult me for the truth while they talk. You way they insult me with comment. And they lay curse on me for my comments. Because I said the truth. But God Almighty is my weakness. Because this was the reason God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah. My dear brothers, if you are doing this, stop it. Fuck any woman when you like. Fuck 1 million women in a day. But please, stop this rubbish. Stop it. This was the reason why Sodom and Gomorrah was destroyed. Please, mostly Nigerians. Other people can be doing it. I don't give a fuck about it. But it's not our culture. We have cultures in Nigeria, in our country. And mind you, for no reason, you they swear for me for my truth. For no reason, you are bringing my past. Told Conte they laughed me. I'll not be even past. I dated a man. I don't know what is wrong with that. You understand? Just because I'm saying the truth, I leave you for God. And I leave me for God's hand. The truth has to be said. Anybody that is engaged or that is engaging himself in this kind of act is a dirty one. Even when you even sleep with man will not get HIV. As somebody like that, I don't want to make sure the word for English. Somebody like that, not on Facebook with them. As somebody like that, they are very open to HIV or whatsoever. If you say not lie, go Google them. What is the key most of these kind of people? Now HIV. Now through their tissue, now they take the contact them. Tissue for nyash. Go read them well. Or go ask your doctor questions. So my dear brother, if you they do this kind of thing, I beg you to stop it. Whoever you are, stop it. It's not a good art at all. It's demonic. And it's disgusting. People where they do it, they smell a lot. Now I make, if you see Oyibo where they do it, this kind of thing, where they need where perfume not they finish for their pocket. Because then they smell, they get one order where they follow them, they go. It is not good. If you are doing it, stop it. Now lay down and want to now. And you insult me for my truth? Because I come out here to say this is bad. It's a very bad, not bad heart. I'm not talking about you woman sleeping with any man. I don't give a damn about that. You are a woman, you can sleep with any man. But sleeping as a man sleeping with your fellow man is very bad. I'm not saying I'm not trying to advise other people, but I'm telling my Nigerian people because we don't have it in our culture. Take it or leave it. That's just my own phone now. Kevin is lying and Kevin is a liar. If you say I did lie, go sit down again. Watch all the video I did. They follow each other. Go and watch carefully. And you'll see. Say Kevin is a dead liar. You understand me? He knew where he put his hand. He knew. But the only thing where Kevin not knew, he not know say he go viral. He not know say he go come out like this. He never knew. He never knew say that's so he go be. Kevin knew say this thing, that's so this man be, that's so he be. But he don't know say he go come out this way. You don't fuck up, bros. Accept your mistake. I know say me come out to the world, can't tell people say I know say I don't make mistake. Never. But just accept them and stop lying or deceiving other people. Hazel, what do you mean by that? Can you please write again? I don't know the meaning of that your comment. Write them again. Rewrite them. I still there. I never come out. Rewrite the reason why you write this thing. If you want just do and code death, maybe what you can hear. Even some of our men know they fuck woman for nyash. Some women know they fuck nyash. It was so bonisa. Write and come out again. What's your name? Hazel. Write and come out again. Okay? Write and come out again. Rewrite that your comment and write them in a very good way where I'll tell you understand what you mean. Because the way you tell write is not clear. And you know why I say you write again? What is the meaning? Why did you write that kind of comment? Just write out the meaning. Why you write them? What can make you go write this kind of thing? What motivate you? What you see will make you write them? Just write it out. That's one question for you. You understand? I like me. They ask people questions before I block because this is my platform. Don't you open my platform for me. If you want to talk about Kevin, you want to talk for the matter. Now, like you want to talk, now true, you want to talk, go open your own platform. I go my yo. Last car check up. I don't know if it's HIV positive, and I pray me no be am. You understand? But what I just want clear for here. We should tell Kevin say what he do. We don't already see the truth. But we are just covering it because he say, no, other tribes they do am. Igbo people they do am. Yoruba people they do am. Other people they do am. Hey, now because that be more. No, more talk the truth. More talk the truth. Kevin, no. Proofs there. Proofs there. Kevin is just lying. Only way to Kevin no be say, no say he go viral like this. Kevin just say na just normal live video, this thing that they do. Where they dance, they use until they rub breast. You don't know. You don't know. Say go viral. Now that one I be where the fuck up there. So now I be where Kevin. Oh my God, I don't know again. You who now be na wa for live oh be na wa famewa. I don't know. It's very sad. We have to say the truth. Don't be saying we not go talk through. Just because say you want to insult me for comment. If you shut up, if you this one, then you will see truth. You know talking. I don't hate Kevin. I don't hate him. If I hate Kevin, I don't go cry. Say me that delicious leave him alone. Me let him go. He's our brother. That was why I say he good, he not good. No, you have him a whole boy ready. That was why I did that video. I don't hate you, Kevin. But what you did was bad. We don't have this kind of thing in our tradition. We don't have this kind of character. We don't do this. It's against our tradition and cultures. A man sleeping with a fellow man, and you are not lying just because you have been caught up with it. You are not defending yourself that you never knew, of which say you know. I'm not telling you to come to the whole world, come tell them say you know. But you yourself, you know, so you know. And stop deceiving other people. Stop lying to people that you never knew because they are proofs. What if this man confess for all these things where they talk, they go, so the man can't go here for another platform. Why even disgrace you the more? What will you do? Forget about say, una go court now, or anything say, maybe you go sue or he go sue you now. What about the man can't see as to take the life for your head, say, and he knows he tell you proof there. You can't bring out so many proof on social media. Why if you are aware, a lot of shame don't come. So, Hazel, I'm going to be blocking you right now. All right? I will block you from my platform. And my platform will be this. You don't understand? And my platform will be this. You know if you can use your comment, take on the control me for here. I think as I your day so. I sit down for my phone day here, they look all the comment, I sit they go, and they read down. I will mess around. So if you insult me for the truth while they talk, I will block you. I don't hate Kevin. I'm not trying to pull him down, but I'm just saying the truth that Kevin knows and he should stop lying to people. He should stop lying to people. He should stop deceiving himself and deceiving others as well. Like if you want to say it. Kevin, what you do is not good. Desperation. That desperation was too much. If it was a woman, no problem. But a man, you know our culture. It was too much. You understand? Not be say we'll tell and say, because in a paper, I did desperate. Paper! Then they see woman where they marry a boy, you not love her. Now just that paper I want. Then they see man where they marry woman, na paper I want, you not love her. But not be man to man, you know say the man get prick and he get HIV. You fall put. Now, where you don't set now, where you don't circulate. Now, you call the deny, say you don't know. Why you they lie? If the person can't bring out more proof, where you want carry the shame go? Although we are proving, although that way, what will you do? You see how when you comment now, where Kevin, go kill you if you live here, you the one they bring Kevin down. I not bring Kevin down, but I just they talk the truth as it be. If that woman, that man, woman, carry any other proof come out just now. You see all these people, now they'll laugh you pass. The way the comment they give you, the kind of thing they'll do you, oh why have you covered? Never know these people. Oh Salobois. I don't talk my own. And this one the last time they talk for the matter. I don't talk again. Because before now come this is until they swear for my generation. But I'm not here, I'm not more bog me. Jemie no manita. Una more bog me they comment to. A comment no go here boy. And God go judge me and you. You they swear for me for comment because I had to tell the truth. That cause go follow you. It go follow you. Because of the truth I they talk. Even God and man know say that thing, that act is bad. I'm not doing it because I know Kevin or I hate him so much. Or I want to join another tribe over Kevin. No. I'm doing this because the heart is bad. Even God, before God and man. So the sight of God is not good. We have versed other people that are doing it. Say, may they stop this thing. And everybody know. See for that video say, the truth, the fact, for all the videos say, Kevin no. He's just lying to himself and deceiving himself as well. He knows. He knows about it. He knew. Right from the beginning. He knew. He was told. That's one thing. Anyway. Now, good night. Good night, everybody. Don't talk my own. This is the last time. And if I see anywhere, if anybody you want to comment your own, your own opinion. No con they swear for me because of say I get talking because mo pa be bere we na ma. Ige Kevika we mo pa bere matter na. So many people see the truth. But so many people see the truth. They just talk say okay, na hustling, na desperation. But we have to face it. We have to kick against it. Say this thing not do again, not do it, not good. We not say you do it. But we just say, hey, we don't know, we what that. You think I don't love him as a brother? When I do that first video where they call him my brother, I tell all of them, they talk say, hey, if you're not your brother, don't be my brother. He's my brother. Am I feel bad now? Be where they're on it. When the sister begin call the platform, say, now we a picture again, now we a picture a picture again of V. On my set here, Natalo. Ciao.